So how much have you done, Summer?
Ma'am, I am writing about Uttar Pradesh.
You have completed Haryana and Delhi also.
Ma'am, I have completed Punjab, Haryana and Delhi.
Very nice. Very fast. What about you,
And ma'am, I am
Pratishtha?
about to complete Uttar Pradesh also.
What about you, Pratishtha?
Ma'am, I am just some slow with ma'am from summer, so ma'am I am on the second one.
No problem. And Divyanshu Dev, what about you?
Ma'am, Miss Pratishtha is on Delhi.
Second state. She's on Haryana. Divyanshu, what are you writing on?
Haryana?
Summer, please concentrate on your work.
Ma'am, I am also ma'am on Haryana.
Okay, beta. And Akshat Sahu, what about you? How much have you done, beta?
Good morning, ma'am. Once again, I forgot to join the class. That's why I am late.
Okay. Akshat, you're not replying. Why so?
Ma'am, here when we are writing about Haryana, so ma'am, in the food, what should we write?
Food. If it is not given, see, nothing special dish is given. No special dish of Haryana is given. So don't write anything. You can only just write crops. Akshat, you're not replying. Does that mean you're not doing your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you not doing your work, beta? Yes or no?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after the main crops grown here, there is written this state also produces sugarcane, mustard seed. So, ma'am, we have to write these names in which group.
You write it under it only. Write in the heading crops only.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't give any extra heading for that.
Okay, ma'am.
See, you can write it in two ways. Important towns and important historical places.
Ma'am, what you have said before, important historical places?
Important towns.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell the important town in
Beta, important places.
Haryana?
Pratishtha, why are you getting confused? Haryana, important places are Gurugram, Faridabad, Ambala, Karnal. Important places. And then places of historical importance. Kurukshetra and Panipat. What, beta? I didn't understand. What are you saying?
Ma'am, we can write important cities also.
Important cities of what? Of which place? Important cities of which place?
Ma'am, Punjab.
Yes, you have to write important cities of Punjab.
Ma'am, we have to write that Haryana is famous for dairy products. Can we write this also?
See, when you write main crops, you will write wheat, rice, cotton. Okay, the state also produces. You will not write this, but you will write sugarcane, mustard seeds, corn, potato, and dairy products. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Samar, why will dairy products come under industries products? What are dairy products? Milk, cheese, paneer. So how will it come under industries?
Ma'am, I will do all the states.
Okay,
Today,
good.
ma'am, not in this
Those who
period,
are not
I
able
can
to do, it's okay. You can do, we will continue the same work in the next class also, as we have to cover up chapter 17 for the same work.
So, ma'am, 15, 16 and 17.
Not 15, because 15 is not coming in your UTs. We have 16, 17 and 18, no?
Ma'am, I thought that I have written the states of that 15 chapter.
No.
Oh, shit. Crops. Ma'am, in Bihar, crops are given rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Then, ma'am, rice, pulses, and vegetables form the staple food of Bihar. So, ma'am, we have to include pulses in crops category.
Yes, yes, yes. You can include there. And main food or famous dish, litti chokha.
And ma'am, litti chokha also in that group.
Litti chokha will not come under crops. It will come under main dish. Like in Punjab, you have written main food is makki ki roti and all.
Then this litti chokha will come in the category of dishes.
Yes, the main dish.
Ma'am, here in Haryana paragraph, in the last line, it is written other industries are farm machines, manufacturing, cotton and sugar industries. So, ma'am, this line we have to add in our which heading?
You can write important industries.
Okay,
Farm
ma'am.
machines, tractor manufacturing, cotton and sugar industries. Okay?
Ma'am, there are famous painting also there is.
Madhubani art, yes.
This will come in the category of famous painting.
No, beta, you can write a separate heading for it. Famous things. Madhubani paintings, Bhagalpuri silk, bamboo articles, daris. These are what? These are all famous things of Bihar, right? So give one heading for all these things. Famous things. What are the famous things? Madhubani paintings, Bhagalpuri silk, bamboo articles, daris.
Famous things. Madhubani.
Anushka, why are you looking here and there? What are you doing? What is being done in the class? Do you even know? Or you have just come to the class, you have just entered, clicked the link just to be there, just to show that you are there. You don't want to know what is happening in the class? The class is about to get over in 20 minutes and you students are joining now.
Ma'am, in Delhi, can we write that it is governed by...
No, beta, don't write that. Don't include that point.
Okay, ma'am.
See, children, don't think that it is not given in any other state, so we'll not write. Every state has got its own unique features. And we are writing the unique features of all the states.
Ma'am, now I am on West Bengal.
Okay, Samar, good.
Ma'am, can you tell me that which bullet should I draw now?
Beta, any of your choice. Now, this is not anything that you have to do by my choice.
Ma'am, because I cannot think about any other bullet.
You have used all geometrical figures like square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Now make a star.
Ma'am, only rectangle is left.
Make a star now.
Ma'am, star I have drawn.
Make a rectangle then.
Ma'am, I have drawn heart.
Make rectangle, also. Beta. Make rectangle.
Okay,
ma'am, can we make heart shape?
Yes, beta, you can make.
Ma'am, I have made heart shape in Bihar. West Bengal. Ma'am, I will make triangle.
Have you started recording?
Ma'am has started.
Beta, in between, when you people are doing your work, I pause the recording. Vivek Kumar Singh, where have you been? Vivek Kumar Singh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in chat box, Surprise has written that good morning, ma'am.
Vivek, what is the time of the class, beta?
Ma'am, I don't know. So, ma'am,
You don't know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write about
Imat, what are you saying? You have to write?
Ma'am, we have to write about crops also.
Yes, beta. If crops are given about any state, you have to definitely write. Okay, so Vivek, I was talking to you. Do you know your classes start at 9 in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what is the duration of the duration of each class?
Ma'am, 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Then how many minutes break do you get in between two classes?
Ma'am, 10 or 15 minutes.
No, now it has been reduced to 10 minutes. Earlier, you used to get 5 minutes break. Oh, sorry, 15 minutes break, but now it has become 10 minutes. So if you calculate from that time, this class is supposed to start at 12:20. The fifth period is supposed to start at 12:20 beta. And you are joining the class at 12:46. 26 minutes late. You have missed the work. You did not attend your previous class. So you don't know what is going on in the class. Now what you're supposed to do is take out your social studies copy. I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. And you have to write the unique features of all the states that are given in chapter number 16 and 17.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the third unique feature of Delhi?
Okay, ma'am.
What two features have you included, beta?
Ma'am, I have included about monuments, and ma'am, I have also written National Capital Territory, that is Delhi.
Okay. Now you can write about the famous educational institutions.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
you can talk about the dominant language of Delhi. Okay. And you can talk about the weather. You can, talk about the climate in summer, how it is, and in winter, how it is. So you can write, when you write climate, make a dash, then write summer. Then put a semicolon. And how are summers? Very hot. Then under it, write winters, very cold. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have in all 4 or 5 unique features of Delhi.
Ma'am, Afraz is typing that summer is so bad. Ma'am, he has typed it to me direct message.
Now, Afraz, what are you up to? Summer, first of all, I always teach you to do your own work. Okay? Need not tell me what others are doing. Because you said, see, ma'am, Afraz is writing this in the chat box. Firstly, beta, be concerned about yourself. Don't be concerned about anybody else, what others are doing. And secondly, Afraz, what are you up to? Huh? What time are you joining the class? I didn't say it that time because it is useless saying. And this is what you're supposed to do in the class. Not doing the work and chatting with others.
Ma'am, we have to also write about historical importance.
Historical importance of what? Of which state are you talking?
Ma'am, Haryana.
Ma'am,
Haryana.
Haryana. Yes, you have to write important historical places. Or places of historical importance. Which are the two places? Kurukshetra and Panipat.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done, ma'am, 4.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, in West Bengal, the hill stations are also given Hooghly and Darjeeling.
Hooghly and Darjeeling in West Bengal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, they are in Kolkata.
Beta, read the sentence properly, Summer. After Hooghly, there is a full stop. Then new sentence has started from Darjeeling is a hill station.
So, ma'am, can we write hill station?
Yes.
When coming on to Delhi, last line, so ma'am, it is written India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, and the Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU. So ma'am,
you-
for this, we have to include this line in our educational institution, or ma'am, we have to give the another heading.
No,
for
it is an important educational institution and need not write the full name. You can just write AIMS and IGNOU. AIIMS and IGNOU.
Hill station. So, ma'am, after this West Bengal, it is given the desert region, and ma'am, after that, it is Rajasthan and Gujarat.
Yes, so you can write, if you want to include both the states together in desert region, you can do that. Or if you want to write separately for Rajasthan and Gujarat, you can write separately. But there is actually not much information given about Rajasthan and Gujarat. You will hardly get 2 or 3 points, not more. So write it separately for Rajasthan and Gujarat because you have been naming all the states.
Ma'am, for Delhi, I only get 5 points.
No problem, beta. 5 are more than enough.
Ma'am, in Haryana, I got only 3.
In Haryana, you got only 3. It must be main crops, places of historical importance, and important cities. Yes. And beta also industries. Write down industries in Haryana. The last
Ma'am,
point.
but ma'am, I have not written important cities. I have written in the climate.
Okay. So when you have written climate, you can also now write, you can add 2 more points, Imad. Those 2 points will be the industries and 1 more point will be important cities. Which are the important
Ma'am, I
cities?
found.
It's
Ma'am, I
Gurugram,
have found
Faridabad.
6.
I am speaking Summer. Gurugram, Faridabad, Ambala and Karnal. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now speak Summer.
Ma'am, I was saying that I have found only 6 features.
No problem. Write down those 6 features.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the third paragraph of West Bengal, it is given Santiniketan in Kolkata has a famous university which was set up by the famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. So, ma'am, in which category should I write this line?
Write it down in. Just write it. Just write the heading famous university and write down Shantiniketan.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my state West Bengal is over.
Ma'am, what is
Ma'am,
the meaning?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, for Uttar Pradesh, can we write that it is the fourth largest state of India?
No, beta. Need not include this point.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of comprises?
It comprises means it includes. It is made of. What sentence are you talking about? Which sentence, beta?
Ma'am, the sentence is, it is a part of the National Capital Region, NCR, which also comprises some part of Haryana,
Yes,
Uttar
yes.
Pradesh.
It also includes. Comprises means includes here.
Ma'am, in Uttar Pradesh, can we write the specialties of Agra, Kanpur, and Lucknow?
See how you're going to write it. Uttar Pradesh is famous for. Okay, again you can write famous things. Okay. Famous things, handicrafts, brocade designs, chicken embroidery, carpentry, brasswork, like that. Need not name all the places. Is it fine, Adrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.